Hi, I am Dr. Parjang and I'm the program convener of the Diploma of IT. The Diploma of IT is pathway to several programs at Griffith University. The courses you study are like creative coding, web technology, foundation of information system, and basically computer and network analysis. So in these courses, what you study or what's the logic behind computer, how computer work, what's the math behind computer, how to design a web, how to use the communication skills you have learned in order to communicate with different users, how to investigate your, say, network, which is under attack, how to monitor your network. You have a wonderful academic team here at Griffith College. They have a vast amount of experience in industry. They've done lots of research, which can definitely benefit you in your study for Griffith University. So as you know, the opportunities you have out there in real life are project manager, web developers, becoming a computer programmer, or even designing networks. So the courses that we teach here at Griffith College prepares you for studying these courses at Griffith University and also prepares you for your role as an engineer in industry. Well, most students really like hands-on activities. What we do here at Griffith College is you'll get to design your own web and then see how to communicate with different users, which are basically your friends at your classroom. You're going to learn how to make a network, how to connect different computers, different devices. My final advice is, first of all, prepare yourself a bit with learning some basic skills of computer. Never hesitate to seek for any help here at Griffith College, and try to have as much fun as you can.